are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm good. And my name's Sky, and I'm from Manchester. How about you?
Well, my name is Rakibul Islam, and I'm from Bangladesh.
Oh, why are
Yeah,
you
ma'am.
learning English?
I just want to learn English for my future because, in my previous years, I have been struggled with English language because I haven't been
Yeah.
good with English, and that's why I just want to learn English like a native speaker, like you people does.
Yeah.
I love, and I am a big fan of British accent. I'm currently
Oh,
working on my British accent. So
yeah.
can Yeah, so I'm just this is my third video, I guess, on Cambly, and it helps me a lot. And currently, I'm just starting YouTube channels to practice my English and
Oh,
to see
sorry. What was I gonna say?
about how can I improve my English or how can I
Yeah.
practice my pronunciations to be able to speak
Yeah.
like the native speaker.
Yeah. Absolutely. So, I think obviously practice as much as you can. That's the first thing to say. But I think have you been doing any reading or anything?
Well, I'm just I'm not a good I'm not a good at reading, but I'm a good at listening. I have listened at least 3 to 4 hours every single day just to improve my English. All my
That's a
English
brilliant
coming from
idea.
Yeah, all my English coming from the listening skill, I guess, or most probably.
Yeah. We'll
And
keep doing that.
yeah, I'm because started that time I was listening 1 to 2 hours, but at the time pass, I'm more curious to watch more and more and more, and that's what makes me feel confident as an English speaker.
Yes. Well, that's what you should be doing, so keep that up. But also I suggest if you want to improve your reading skills, obviously you can read any books that you want, but if you're struggling with the whether it's correct what you're reading, if on Kindle there's a translate app that you
Yeah.
can have so it can translate for you as well. And also I suggest watching movies,
Well, to be
with
honest,
the subtitles.
I'm a big fan of English movie. I have watched 2 to 3 movies every single day. That's what I'm
Yeah.
listening, and I know
Oh,
a lot of cultural issues by watching a lot of movies.
yeah.
Yeah,
Oh, that's good. And that's good for your learning accents as well. And also, I think you should try to ring as many like different Cambly tutors with different
yes.
accents,
Yes. I have
different
been doing
people.
this because this is my
Yeah.
number 3 video class, and I have to attend 3 different pieces like you. And before that, I have got Jeremy Salem. He was also from England, but he's currently staying in France.
Oh, really? Oh, how
Yeah,
lovely. Yeah. So that's a great thing to do, and then you'll get a diverse range of accents.
yeah.
F-
And before that, I have
Really
talked with
helpful.
an American. He was quite helpful for me to understand. But I'm mostly working on my British accent. That's why I love to work with British people. I love your
Ah,
accents. I love your cultures. I took an exam for my current issue. Like I for the pandemic happened. When pandemic happened, I didn't go and sit my graduation exam, and
right.
that's what's keep holding me back for taking IELTS exam. But
Yeah.
I'm planning to take exam for the next years. I guess that would be
Yeah.
helpful.
I think that's what you should, conversation practice first and foremost, and then
Yeah.
start practicing, exam questions
Yes,
after that. And so,
I'm trying to solve every single question that pops up into my social media because I'm following all the information that I can follow on YouTube or Facebook or Instagram. Wherever I can, I just want to learn. That's what
yeah,
makes me feel confident. And
yeah,
one more thing
yeah.
that I just want to be curious about the British cultures. Do you prefer it would be helpful for me to learn English much better?
Much better.
Yeah, much better.
Sorry, what do you mean?
I think
Pull to.
yeah, I just want to know if I learn much about British culture, would it be help for me to learn
Oh, yeah, I mean, absolutely. It's always good to learn culture.
self-employed myself? I'm doing freelancing for my current living. I have
Canada,
maybe
I don't know much about Canada. Obviously, I know it's huge. Uh, many opportunities in Canada.
yeah, there will be many
As I
options
said,
for
and in England as well. I mean, your level of English is very high. So,
yeah, thank you.
with a little bit more practice, I think you'll be fine on an exam you've got absolutely about at all. You can't fly through that.
Yeah, I just want to understand every single thing you are saying, or every England citizen said. But you are sometimes said too much fast, but I am understanding every single thing that you are saying, and every
Yeah,
single thing they're saying on that. Because I have watched at least 5 to 700 TEDx video. That's helps me quite a
right.
lot, and that's helped me
Yeah,
quite a lot.
that's
And
great.
I have watched
The
that.
thing is, see, I teach people every day with all different levels, but I can tell that you're a high level, so I'm speeding up. You're understanding me very well, so well done. Yeah, you absolutely have, and my accent's very unusual, so I commend you on that. I think
I
it's
think
very
it's
good. Do you know? See, the last thing you said here, proper, so it's I don't think it's very very good, or I don't think it's okay. A better phrase to use. But I always listen for mistakes, and I heard you saying any massive mistakes to pick up on. You know, you can always learn grammar tips, but I think don't stress too much on the grammar side of things. Keep with the conversation that you're already doing. Keep practicing pronunciation more and fluency.
yeah.
And the grammar
I'm
will
just
come.
working on it. I, I don't exactly focus too much on grammar because it keeps me back, holding me back in
Yeah, I
learning.
think
All I know
I
is
think so.
learning language is just to be communicate better. Because if I don't want to communicate, how can I even understand, or how can I even learn next move?
Yeah, exactly, exactly. Well, I would, I suggest to you just keep doing what you're doing, and keep reading. And if there is any side of things you're struggling more than others, maybe focus on weaknesses are to speak with proper grammar. So I would say to 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 work on, like I say, work on your weaknesses first. Keep reading, and maybe do some maybe try and do some grammar uh, practice
Exercise.
tests, exercises, and practice tests, previous examinations, and things like that, just to test yourself with the grammar and to see where you stand. And then when you know where you are and what you need to learn, you can ask questions about, well,
Yeah,
where do
I
I go
don't
from
think
here?
there is not third minute left, 10 seconds left. So it was nice talking to you.
Oh, it's been lovely speaking to you.
We
Take
have
care.
Thank you so much for
Have
this.
a lovely day. Bye bye. See you.